Hey guys, it's Latana. Today I'm going to show you how to download the all over t-shirt template. Go to the website, and once you get over to my website, which is latana.com, go over to the latana.com website. There's a lot of great things over here. If you don't know, now you know. I do offer technical training, which is hands-on screen printing. I also offer consultations. So if you're new in the business and you need a consultation, hit me up. You can find the consultations here over Shop My Store. Consultations start at 15 bucks. It's real cheap. So, it's a good thing to try. Okay, guys, so here you go. You're going to click on the free all over template. And once you click on that, it's going to bring up the blog post about how to make your all over t-shirts. Now, they'll have a very long video which will go in and show you how to actually do the design. But if you want to bypass that, you can just scroll on down before I tell you that. There's also a video here in case you don't know how to do sublimation, or you don't even know what sublimation is. Here's a video link to tell you what you need to do to get started in the sublimation business, what supplies you need, and all of that good stuff. After you've done all of that and you're ready to the template, just click on the template. It says buy now, but you don't have to purchase anything on this one. Once you get to the all over template, here it is. You click add to cart. You can view the cart or just go in and check out. On your cart, you're not going to do anything. You're just going to fill out all that information over there, agree to any terms that I have, and place the order for your t-shirts. And once you place the order, you're done. It'll bring you to this checkout page, and you're able to instantly download the template. So it's just going to show you what any downloads that you ever have in my shop, you're going to always be able to go back and re-download those. As you see, this one says it never expires. So you're just going to click on all over t-shirt template, and you're going to download it. Now I've already downloaded it and it's here. So once you do that, let's go here, and we've got the zip file. Where is the zip file? Because I did screen that I'm working on. Okay, so here is the template, and you're just going to extract the template. Now, once you extract the template, you can open it up. What I like to do is, notice this is not a CDR file, it's a CDT file. And I'm sorry guys, for you guys who are working in Illustrator, I will go back as soon as I put up this video and create another file, because the CDT file you may not be able to download in Illustrator. If it was CDR, you could. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to put up another file. So you're going to see two files, one which will be the CDT and one which will be the, I'll just do a PDF or a regular Coreldraw file. Okay, so anyways, you've got this, you've extracted it all, and yeah, we already extracted it. So we got the Corel file opened up. All over template file will open. If I was you, I would save that file here. Go in and save it as template and save it in here. Reason being is if I wanted to reopen this file, I could click here and go new from template, and then you see how I got all these files, and then I could click it and I could open it up. And no matter what I do to change it, to make new designs, that original template file is still there. This is a great place to just keep all of your templates at. Okay, so we got the file open. Once you get the file open, there's a couple of things that you're going to want to do. It's going to open up like this, and you're going to notice that when you click on everything, you're not going to be able to click on anything but wording, right? So you're going to have to make sure that your object manager is open. And if you don't know where your object manager is, you're going to go to object, select Object Manager, and that will put your Object Manager over here on the side. Once you get to see that, you'll notice that you've got different things here, and things are locked and unlocked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hide this layer, and I'm going to also hide your design layer. So your first layer is going to be the shirt board layer. If you click it, then now you're working on this layer. Your second layer is your all over t-shirt design background. Okay, that's your all over background. You can click on anything here, and you can't click it because it's locked. If I want to unlock it, I need to unlock it here, and I can click it. This is showing me that this design is 38 by 38 template. Now, if you look at the video that I did when I did my shirt on my shirt, my design was only, I believe, 24, 25 inches. My t-shirt, 24, 25 inches long. Most shirts are no longer than about 30 inches long. So you'll make sure that you don't design down low, or you cut that like I did in the video. Okay. And then up here you have your words on this layer. So everything in here is on different layers. I did it like that for a reason. I'm going to show you. Notice that here, let's see here. So right now I have the layers I have on would be the words. And the words are unlocked. I've got the all over the background, small through large t-shirts, and I can start designing here. If I wanted to print it on 2x and 3x, that's when I would turn that layer off and use my other layer. So here within the regular layer, or within the, let's say not within the regular layer, but within the design words, I've got that selected. You can go in, and I've got this already set with a contour on it, where you could go in and you could type, and you could change the lettering if you wanted to. You can select it. You can change the colors. Right here, you see how that's just changing over the color of the wording, and the contour is still there. So that goes in and that changes that. If you want to make this contour larger, you can go here and you can click on the contour, and you can increase your steps here and make that larger. Okay, there are a lot of different things you can do in the contour. Right now it's set on rounded. You can change that, and you can go in and you can mess with the contour colors, the way that you want the colors to go. There's a lot of things that you can do with the contour. Object and color acceleration is right here. So if I mess with this color, there is a color, a light blue. I'm going to kind of try to zoom in for you guys so that, let's see, you see that blue background, which it's 3 contours now. I can go in here under color acceleration, and I can increase that color, okay, or decrease the color, whichever one you want to do. So there are different things that you can do, that you can go in and where you can play with this stuff. Let me go back out to the page. So you can go in and you can change all of that. You can also change the lettering and your contour, whatever contour that you have, it's not going to change. We can say rest in peace. Or you may want to do something for, because everything's not going to be about this type of shirt. You may want to change it and do something for a football team or anything like that. Add a name to the back of the shirt, stuff like that. And so if I change that, you notice everything is still there. The contour is going to stay grouped unless you guys go in and ungroup it. okay? Um, and you can just try different letters. Now, the lettering that I created this design with is Great Vibes. When you open up your software, if you don't have this font, then you're not going to get this font. You're going to have to go and find Great Vibes, and you're going to have to download it. And that may have been a Silhouette font, Silhouette Studio. It may be a defunct font. I'm not sure where I got the Great Vibes from. But you go in and you find the font. Same thing with this bottom one. You can do the same thing. Now let me show you. If I want to change this template, because I can hide that and open up my extra large to 2X template, which I already put in a second background here. Okay. Now when I'm doing this, you want to go in and select this template. You want to take off that extra line because you don't want that extra line to print out. Okay, so we got the power clip, and you can go in, you can edit it, you can do different things to it. I'm going to select the content, okay, and then I'm just going to delete it. Okay, so I'm going to bring in another picture, and let's say I'm going to bring in this photo right here, which is really not big enough for this design. But just bringing something in, and you see how that comes in, and that'll go into it, and then I can go here and I can edit it. So I would want to come here, do something like this. This picture here is really too big to do this with, but who knows? See if we can make it work. Okay. So now I've got that in there, and this could be my 2X design shirt. And of course, like I told you with the other one, you're gonna, before you print it, you're gonna take that off. Okay, so now I may want to, if you want to bring in a picture of someone, you'll just go in and grab your photo of whoever. Let's bring in this baby and put that baby there.